What's going on, everyone? Joe back from Grill Joe's Barbecue, and today it's a little rainy and cold outside, so I got all these packages right here from Monument Grills. I'm gonna open all this up. I'm gonna build this new grill. Then we're gonna push it outside and we're gonna do some burgers. So first off, let's just go over what we got. We have the Monument Grill 35633R, which is a red 4-burner grill with a side burner and a sear station. Then we have a rotisserie kit. We have a cast iron cooking plate. We have a cover. These ones look a little dirty. They were actually delivered while we were on vacation, and shout out to our awesome neighbor because she went and grabbed these at our end of our driveway and ran them up in the rain and put them on our porch. And then we got a box of some other goodies that I'm not sure all what's in here, so we'll set that to the side. We're gonna get started on the grill first. Let's get this open. All right. Like the last grill, I think this one's gonna be just as easy. Just like that, that comes right off. No cutting needed besides getting those straps off of it. What's really awesome about these Monument grills, one of the really cool things is the packaging is amazing. They don't waste any space in this thing. It's put together awesome. Oh, I can already see that red color coming through. Oh man, guys, that is an awesome color. I love it. Wow, look at that. Hold on a second, what is that? Woo! All right, guys, got it all together. I mean, this thing only took me maybe an hour and a half by myself, and I had to stop and film a few things. You'll see that throughout the video. This thing just looks clean. I love the red look. I know what you're thinking. I already got one of these, but mine's not red. And mine doesn't have the sear station. This thing is gonna be awesome for doing steaks. I cannot wait to use it. We're gonna start going through the other packages I got. One other thing that's awesome for Monument, they give you batteries. You know how many times you buy something and you don't have any batteries and you have to go buy batteries before you can use it? They give you all 5 you need for your starter. You just unscrew that, pop it in there, screw it back on. Right here. And then they give you 4 more batteries. I'm not talking to you, Tango, I'm talking to the camera. They give you 4 more batteries because inside the power for all the lights, and there's a USB port on the side for another special feature. Now we got LED lights. There is a switch over here on the side to turn those off. But man, they look cool. First off, we got the cover for the grill. I'm also really excited about this right here. We have a cast iron insert. You got your ridge side and your flat side. We're gonna be making some smash burgers on that for sure. Set that in there for now. I'm really excited about this. We are gonna be using this weekend. I'm gonna be making a chicken in here. That's gonna make an awesome chicken. Now finally, the mystery box. I'm not even all sure what they sent me in here. We're about to find out. The grill and this box came in before I left for vacation about a week and a half ago. This has just been sitting in my living room waiting for me to unbox it. Monument Grills, Texas hot pepper sauce, Texas sweet barbecue sauce, ooh, pork butt rub, chicken rub, beef rub. Oh, this is a really cool attachment. If you guys ever started cooking something at night or started cooking dinner a little too late and it got a little dark on you, well, that USB port I talked about on the side here, little LED light, you can plug right into the side. Oh man, that is bright too. I about just opened that door and launched all this stuff. Oh yeah, that is cool. And finally, something we're gonna use a lot. That looks great. The Monument Grill smoke box. That is just Monument cut out there to let the smoke out. That just looks so clean. That's one thing about these grills. They are packaged amazing. They ship in perfect condition. I actually have a video on my Ring doorbell. The FedEx driver kind of flipped this to my driveway. He didn't care about getting a dolly or carrying it or sliding it. He literally was flipping it, but it's packaged so well, nothing was damaged. It looks all so clean. And then I got this smoke box. Throw that in there with some pellets. Some nice smoke rolling in here. For tonight though, I think we're gonna try some of this Texas beef rub, make up some burgers on here, and christen the red grill tonight. So we're gonna push this thing outside and get to cooking. All right, like I said, we're gonna be using this beef rub. And I usually with my burgers like to put a little bit of liquid smoke and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. But before I prep the burgers, I'm gonna cut up my veggies. I have a tomato and an onion to put in on the grill. And I'm gonna be using this brand new, beautiful knife. This is from Ken Knife Co. on Instagram. They have a website. I got this in a auction and I am just super thrilled, oh man, to have a nice, high quality knife. This thing is super sharp and it's just beautiful. All right, I'm gonna put those tomatoes on a plate. Now, unlike last time when I made my burgers, I just had a little gorilla stuff mine full of onion. We're not going for that this time. I'm gonna cut just some whole onion slices like so. And I'm gonna just put those directly on the grill like that. So I'll put that on my plate over here, that. I got my toppings ready for my burger. Man, I love how sharp that is and how easy it is to cut straight through that onion, straight through those tomatoes. Can't wait to get some more knives. All right, I'm gonna start by putting some of this beef rub in it. I already tried it. It has a little bit of kick to it, but mixed in with some liquid smoke and Worcestershire sauce. This stuff adds a ton of flavor. All right. Just gonna hit them with some of this Texas beef. Those are ready for the grill. Let's head on out.
All right, everyone, real quick before we get out into the cook, I just wanted to show you how nicely everything was packaged together. Inside the grill is all the parts, and then look how clean all this fits together in there. You actually have to kind of work on pulling it out because it's so tightly packed in there. Another cool thing is a lot of the screws are already pre-screwed into the pieces, and then you just have to pull them out a little, put the part on you're installing, and then screw them back down. I did use my cordless drill. You just want to make sure you're going really slow if you use a cordless drill because you can mess up the screws pretty quickly if you hit it full power.
All right, I've had the all the burners going on medium for about 15 minutes, making sure I burned off anything from the factory that was still in there. I'm gonna turn those down to low, and I'm gonna go get my burgers and drop them on. All right. They already smell amazing. So some of the features, like I said, I'm really excited about. The side burner, so you can put pots on here to do some frying, make up sauces. And what's really cool, this is the sear station. So you get flame across this whole thing, gets super hot. You can drop steaks on here and get a nice sear. All right, so I went inside, got my buns. I'm not gonna mess up this time. I'm gonna be toasting my buns. I got 2 different types of cheeses. We got the onions. These are gonna be awesome. Let's get a close up. This isn't ready to flip yet, but we're starting to get some juices puddled on the top of this back one. This one's starting to come out with some juices where I give off flip. Beautiful. Normally I would oil my onions before I put them on. I'm just gonna hit them with some vegetable oil and then throw them on the grill. The And as soon as these guys are done, I'm gonna throw them up to the top rack and we'll toast our buns. All right, so I moved these onions over to the flat top and turned it on because I accidentally busted them apart. So we're just gonna cook them on here for a little bit. I like to check my burgers just because, you know, it's showing about 135. So I'm gonna take these, put them on top. We're gonna hit these with the double cheese. The cheese on cheese. And a quick bun toast. Getting toasty. We'll pull those bad boys out. I love having a flat top in my grill. I'm gonna go ahead and kill all my burners. Got about 145, 137. I like mine more on the medium rare side, but I know Mrs. Gorilla does not. All right, guys, these are ready to be pulled. Beautiful cheesy burgers. Let's get these inside. All right, guys, these look awesome. I'm gonna make up this little ketchup with a little mayo. Just like that, super easy. We're gonna put some of that on my bun. We're gonna put a tomato down, just like that. Boom. That is what I'm talking about. Just check out that big old cheeseburger with onions. Woo! Oh yeah, that's gonna be fantastic. A little bit more cooked than I normally do my burgers, but this looks awesome. Let's give it a try. Can really taste that Texas beef in there, but those onions cooked on the grill add so much flavor to that burger. Nice and thick. Fantastic burgers. I know not everyone is a propane grill kind of person, but they're just so simple. You can do so much with them, and it's so easy. We're gonna be doing some rotisserie cooks. We're gonna do some smoked cooks. We're gonna do some steaks. If you guys have anything you think you want cooked on a propane grill, you let me know, because we're gonna do it all. I really love that red color. I'm super excited about the sear station. Thank you, Monument Grills, for sending it out and all the accessories. I can't wait to do more on it. I'm gonna keep eating this burger. Little Gorilla and Mrs. Gorilla are almost home, so I got their burgers ready to go as well. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We're working towards that 4,000 watch hours, so if you could watch the video, share it out, that'd be awesome. Watch my playlist. Thank you guys for everything, and we will see you next time. I'm just gonna keep on keeping on.